Hi and welcome. In the previous video we went over how to download and install VMware Client, and now I'm going to show you how to configure it with your company Horizon URL. Let's start by double clicking on VMware Horizon Client icon on your desktop. When the program opens up, click on Add Server and type your company Horizon URL. Since I'm using our test environment, I am entering our company domain. In your case, you will need to enter yours. Click Connect, and you will be prompted to enter username and password. Click on the login, and then double click on Unified Workspace icon. It will automatically log in to your desktop, and if you'd like to make it full screen, go ahead and maximize this window. Once you're finished using the session, in order to log off, you can click on this little icon right here and then select the option to disconnect and log off and click OK.